Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am just arriving in Las Vegas and I'm staying at the VDARA Hotel and Spa. Since it's summertime and flights are insanely high, I took one of the earliest flights this morning and got to the hotel around 11 a.m. You already know check-in would be very tricky since rooms are still being cleaned or being checked out. But the front desk was super helpful and accommodated me. They told me I had to wait about an hour, so I went ahead and lounged in the lobby for a little bit. There's even a restaurant and bar here called Vice Versa. Not even an hour and they finally called to let me know that my room is ready. Time to head up. Oh my god, I'm excited because this is my first time in their panoramic suite. And it's supposed to have a full 360-degree view of the mountains and the Vegas Strip. Let's go ahead and check it out. MGM Rewards members can skip the physical key entirely. The app syncs your digital key to your phone, so a quick tap on the door unlocks your room instantly. Wow, look at this. Whoa, this is nice. The entry area is really nice. There's a tall closet, drawers, and even an option for an adjoining room. Let's see. This would be great if you're staying with family, friends, or just a big group. Definitely request that at check-in. And I just noticed this mirror. It's a full-length mirror. It'll be nice for a quick outfit check before heading out. Isn't that super convenient? Looks like the light and the window shade controls are right here, and the do not disturb and housekeeping settings are built in too. A blue light outside your door means privacy, and a green light lets housekeeping know that you want your room cleaned and replenished. Wow, this is a nice view. Let's take a look. Oh wow, that's the marquee pool. It looks like this is the Cosmopolitan building. Yes. Yeah, it's super humid right now outside. I would not be in that pool. Let's check out this kitchen. Alright guys, let's check out this full kitchenette. It seems pretty empty, but I'm sure you can request all the kitchen essentials from housekeeping, like such as plates, cups, utensils, pots, and pans. Maybe even condiments. I'm sure they have it all. Alright, garbage disposal is working. The lights doesn't seem like it's working, but that's okay. They should have put plastic back in that trash. It looks pretty clean. I mean, the best part of having a kitchenette or kitchen in a hotel room is that you can save a ton of money by cooking here or prepping a quick snack instead of eating out 2 to 3 times a day. I mean, Vegas restaurants can get really expensive. And honestly, I'm not a morning person, so I love being able to just stay in, make my family of 4 a nice breakfast, not having to go downstairs and figure out where the hell I'm gonna get breakfast or how much I'm gonna be spending on just breakfast alone. Maybe eating out once for lunch or dinner would be cost efficient. Alright, let's check out what they have in this fridge. Ooh, okay, well, this is a no-no. We are not allowed to get anything in here because they will charge you crazy. Not even the alcoholic drinks. I'm sure that water bottle is $20. Yeah, no. We have a big fridge here. So what I do normally when I stay in hotels with a full-size kitchen, I go do my grocery shopping, light grocery shopping, and get what I need to get to cook for a day or two, and store them in the fridge and prep them. Oh, hey guys. This is a nice, cute little dining table for a family of 4 or 2. So guys, I thought this was just an empty closet. I was so surprised to see an in-room washer and dryer here in Vegas. Plus, it's a total game changer for packing. I can wash all my used clothes before heading home so I don't come back with a pile of dirty laundry. I'm already loving this room. It honestly feels like my own little apartment at home. The only downside, it doesn't come with laundry detergent. I'm not sure if you can request it from housekeeping, but for picky people like me, it's easier to grab your own. So I checked and found a CVS right next to Aria that's actually walking distance from my hotel. It's like an 8 to 10 minute walk. And there I picked up all the essentials I needed. It's way cheaper than buying from the hotel lobby. Oh, nice. Look at that marquee pool. Everybody's in there. It's a nice living room set. I wonder if this couch is a pull-out bed. Probably not. Let's check out the TV. It's a nice size. And down here looks like they've got most of the ports that you need for gaming or work. You can just sit back, relax, play some video games, bring your PS5, PSP, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, all that stuff. They have all the ports that you need. You can just sit back, relax, or watch movies. If you're exhausted from walking around Vegas all day or need a little break from gambling, this is a place to be. Looking at this bed, it seems super comfy. I love how the big windows let in so much sunlight. It's definitely gonna make me want to get up and start the day. Now let's do the bed and pillow test. Yes, this pillow is everything I need. And this mattress, it's a little firm, but it's still comfy. This pillow though, it's heaven. Ooh, yes. This side of the room has a bed perfectly positioned to overlook at the Vegas mountains. I mean, who wouldn't want to cuddle up and enjoy this view? Too bad I'm gonna enjoy this all to myself since I'm traveling alone this time. Sad. Oh well. Let's check out this office desk. It's definitely sitting right where it needs to be, facing the best view of the mountains. So peaceful. I mean, it would be a great place to do your video editing for you bloggers out there, because this is where I'm gonna edit my video tonight. Oh yes, and that purple pen, I'm taking that home with me. This little tablet over here is an in-room interactive tablet. It's super handy. You can book shows, make restaurant or spa reservations, order in-room dining if you're feeling lazy, and even control your room settings right from there. Quick look at the room and the view. Aria is right there to the left. Yes, that's Aria. Front entrance. And I believe those are apartments or condos. Yes. Now my favorite part of the suite, this bathroom. I'm so excited to share this with you guys, especially this tub. It's just amazing. I love how it's positioned right next to the big window with the gorgeous view of the mountains. It'll make soaking in here even more relaxing due to the view. I'm definitely trying this out tonight. Or at least watch the sunset while soaking in the tub. Who knows? Well, let's see. It looks a little bit smaller compared to a regular tub, but I'm short, so it seems like a perfect fit for me. For y'all tall peoples who will be staying in here, you can still soak in here. Who cares if your legs hang out? It's all about the experience and living that sweet life. It's definitely worth the try. A His and Her robe set. I tried these robe on and they're very heavy and super long for me. It didn't quite fit me. But the slippers though, a solid 10 out of 10. One size fits all. And look at that thick foam. It's almost like a memory foam. They're super comfy and I love wearing them, so I took the other one home with me. I did check out the couch. It is a queen size pull-out sofa bed. They even provided 2 extra sets of sheets and 2 pillows. So it's perfect if you have kids or extra guests staying with you. Alright, so overall rate would be 9 out of 10 for me. The suite itself is incredible. The stunning 360 degrees views of the Las Vegas Strip and the mountains. I love the in-room amenities, the full kitchenette, the in-room washer and dryer, and the interactive tablet. Even the pull-out sofa bed is thoughtfully equipped for extra guests and families with kids. Oh, and let's not forget about the bathroom. You already know I love that tub and that stand-up shower next to the window with that incredible view. So yeah, I mean, I would highly recommend the panoramic suite at VDARA. If you're looking for something luxury, comfort, and convenient all in one, this is the place to be. But keep in mind, this is a kid-friendly, smoke-free, and away from the casino chaos hotel. If you're going to ask me though, I would absolutely stay here again. So if you enjoyed this, make sure to check out my other blogs and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.